Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Chase to your bank account, beginner guide step by step clearly. Log into your Chase account using your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the accounts section on the dashboard. Select the account from which you want to withdraw funds. Click on the transfer option or withdraw button, depending on your interface. Choose the amount you wish to transfer to your external bank account. Select your external bank account from the list of available options. If your external bank account isn't listed, you will need to add it. To add a new bank account, enter the account details including the account number and routing number. Verify the information you entered to ensure accuracy. After confirming the details, return to the transfer screen. Review the transfer amount, selected accounts, and delivery speed options. Choose the delivery speed that suits your needs, such as same-day or standard transfer. Once everything looks correct, click the Confirm or Submit button to process the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message showing the transfer details. Check your email for any notifications regarding the transaction status. Allow the designated time for the funds to appear in your external bank account. Monitor your external account to confirm the deposit has been completed. If there are any issues, contact Chase customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.